In this video, we will be replacing a broken stub axle on the Traxxas Stampede 2-wheel drive. The tools needed for this replacement are a 4-way wrench, flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and 2.5mm Allen wrench. The direct replacement part needed for this replacement is TRA2753X. Begin by removing the wheel on the side of the broken stub axle. Using the flathead screwdriver, pop the wheel hub, or wheel hex, away from the pin on the stub axle. Remove the pin. Back the stub axle out of the stub axle carrier and remove the bearings or bushings on either side. Slide the half shaft out. Using the flathead screwdriver, put the flathead into the opening on the half shaft just below the U-joint. Slide one of the ears on the new stub axle over the top side of the U-joint. Place the 2.5mm Allen wrench between the bottom of the U-joint and the flathead screwdriver. Drop the bottom ear of the stub axle over the bottom of the U-joint. Slide the half shaft with the stub axle onto the other half shaft. Before pulling the stub axle through the carrier, slide the bearing back onto the axle. Pull the stub axle through the carrier. Push the pin back into place. Using the needle nose pliers, pop the wheel hex back onto the pin. Reinstall the rear wheel. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Until next time, thanks for watching.